Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to leave a conversation or a group chat on your iPhone. So let's get started. So in order to do that, first thing is you're going to go ahead and open up your messages and then find the group chat that you would like to leave. So in this case, this is the one I like to leave. In order to leave, you're going to click on the group name or the names that are listed up top. And then once you click on it, it's going to open up this menu here. And you're going to see a bunch of options here, but if you go a little bit further down, there's going to be an option that says leave this conversation, which you can click on. And then once you click on leave this conversation, you'll be able to exit out and leave that group chat. Now, keep in mind that if you do this, this option is only available in the scenario that everybody on the group chat here has iPhone. Basically, they're on iMessage. So this option doesn't appear if there is someone that has an Android that's on your group chat. You will not have this option. It will be grayed out. Another thing you also need is you need 3 or more people in order to leave a group chat. So if there's only 2 people, you cannot leave the group chat. Unfortunately, that's kind of the way it's designed. Not sure why exactly, but that's kind of where it goes. So no one can be an Android on it, and then you have to be having more than 3 people for this option to be available for you, or else this will be grayed out on your device. So that's how you leave a group chat on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.